Just Video Walls truly believes walls are the future of display technology. And the best part is, you don't have to wait to enjoy them. Their deluxe micro-LED system can be installed in your home or office today, giving incredibly visuals up to 5120 by 2160 resolution. During hot summer days, a little freshness is necessary. The Sauber Air Flat delivers exactly that. This air purifier, just 9 centimeters thick, quietly improves the air around you with smart sensors tracking temperature and humidity. Electricity prices jumped across Europe at the start of the year, making everyday tasks like running a dishwasher surprisingly expensive. That is why solar power is getting more attention. Sunroof offers efficient rooftop panels that can cut energy bills and lower emissions. Now, New Air Dryer is a small hand dryer that makes towels unnecessary. At just $99 and only 550 grams, it's easy to mount on any wall. Its 70-watt motor dries hands fast with warm 40 degrees Celsius airflow. New York's record smoggy skies last year, caused by Canadian wildfires, were a wake-up call. With fires expected to become more frequent, protection matters more than ever. Code 3 Water created roof sprinklers for pitched roofs that sparks from starting fires. Growing up on a farm, Paul understood what farmers and horse breeders truly need. That insight led him to create the FlexiGate, a simple but smart solution for flexible enclosures. This door looks like something straight out of an action movie. Weighing 181 kilograms, it needs a forklift just to get it installed. It is so tough that breaking through the wall would probably be easier than forcing the door open. Here we have a smart kitchen hood that does much more than clear smoke. Its 27-inch touchscreen, Android system, and recipe suggestions make cooking easier and more fun. For more, you can video chat, send emails, play music, or check the weather while you cook. Ever watched a trash can roll down the street in the wind? Can Koala is designed to stop that. It keeps bins secure and helps prevent messy caused by weather or animals. It's easy to assemble and fits many bin sizes. Changing sheets on a king-size mattress can be exhausting, especially when it weighs 30 to 50 kilograms. The EasyMaker team created a simple fix, the pneumatic mattress jack. It lifts and lowers your mattress in about a minute.